How to make money on Freelancer as a game developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to hire a game developer, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to go by skill categories. And then I'm going to wait for it to load. And I will be able to find the freelancer I'm searching for. So here we have all of these categories, and let's scroll down. Here we can find the game developers in the website's IT and software category. So let's scroll down to find game developers. I think I will find it in here. I need to find the letter G. And here it is. Game consoles, game design, and game development. That's what I'm looking for. And here you can hire expert game developers for any job. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see their profiles. So here, click on see more game developers. And here you will be able to see their profiles, how much they're getting paid per hour, their ratings, and by clicking on their profile, you will be able to see much more. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in today's video. I'm going to teach you how you can create your own profile like those people. So here, for example, let's check this one's profile. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a profile picture to your profile, how to add a cover photo as well. And also, I'm going to show you how you can add your description and how you can verify all of those things about your profile. And this man seems like he's from the United States and he joined since 2010. And this is his description. I'm a programmer and engineer at heart. I have passion for all things computers, especially game development. I have an extremely strong and well-versed background in programming, Unity 3D, Unreal Engine, and all of those things. And also I'm going to show you how you can add your top skills and how you can add your portfolio as well. It seems like this man didn't add it. I don't know why. And when it comes to the reviews, you cannot do anything about them because the reviews are controlled by the clients. The only thing you can do is to deliver a great and a decent result for them. So let's go up and let's close this one to show you how you can create your profile. Let's go to Freelancer in here. And here click on hire freelancer, click on earn money freelancing in order to create your account. And here make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. And here give it a few seconds to load. And after it's loaded, this is your dashboard where you can control everything about your profile. And if you went to this button in your top right, then you will be able to view your profile, check your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. And when it comes to your finances, you can also check your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds, see your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. And you can also head to the support if you've encountered any problems Or if you want to invite your friends, they will provide you with a custom link for you only to invite your friends. And I think they offer some kind of a reward for referring your friends. And if you want to log out, you can do that as well. So let's go up to view our profile. You still need to make a lot of adjustments to it. As you can see, it's very empty. We have nothing on it. So here, start by clicking on edit profile. So here, the first thing you will need to do is to verify your email first. Then you will proceed to add in your profile picture. Then upload a cover photo as well. Those two are very important. Then you proceed to the verifications. It's where you're going to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Then verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Then verify your payment method as well, and verify your phone number too. Then make sure to connect your Facebook account. And after that, you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. Then you enter your professional headline as well. And then you enter your summary. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, your skills, and where did you learn the skill. After that, you proceed to enter in your top skills. So here, let's enter your top skills. Let's remove this. You can add up to 20 skills, guys. So let's go with game developer. You have game development. And we have game development, game design, game consoles, game trailer, translation, game maker, game user interface, and that's it for the skills. Then you click on save to save those adjustments, and then you proceed to add in your portfolio as well. The portfolio is very important too. You cannot work in the platform without having your portfolio, because clients like to check your job first before hiring you. And then you proceed to add in your experience as well, your education, your qualifications, and your publications too. And when you're done with making all of these adjustments to your profile, then it's time to find some work and make some money. So let's go to browsing here, click on projects. Let's wait for it to load, and here you'll be able to find jobs that you can apply to. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.